Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find the Deepwing Leviathan inside of Subnautica 2. So in this particular video, I'm just recording footage over by the Alien Observatory Tower, above the research outpost also known as the Alien Ruins. And the Deepwing brooders you can find pretty much anywhere to the east of that trench where you first encounter the Collector Leviathan. They prefer areas where the ocean can get fairly deep, and they actually have a funny patrol path where they'll swing around in big wide circles, laying eggs in the area where the players are supposed to be, and then they go out of bounds and then make a really big circle. And for the most part, I'm going to put this up on a map here for you. I've been able to run into these guys laying eggs over my base, which I put right next to the Eastern Research Station in the Alien Ruins area. I've been able to encounter them at least once every 30 to 45 minutes by just hanging out in this area. They come by fairly regularly, and you can usually pick up their eggs pretty easily, especially if you're looking around on the ocean floor, which is how I noticed them. Now that said, there are some mods out there that I've seen that you can look up on Nexus mods that allow you to see where they are and see if they get stuck on something, which I guess maybe could happen. I've not personally had this issue, so I don't know what would cause that, but it's entirely possible if you haven't seen them yet and you've been hanging out in the known spots for a while, that maybe they're just getting lost somewhere or hung up on something and you just need to restart the game and come back and start fresh. Not like all the way, but like just like load out to the menu and load back in, and maybe that'll free them up from whatever they're getting stuck on. That'd be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.